Why in iron deficiency, cell size becomes smaller, but in vitamin B12 deficiency or folate deficiency, cell size becomes bigger? What is the reason? Do not memorize the list. Understand one basic principle. Understand one question. What is the cell struggling to make? If the cell is struggling to make hemoglobin, the cell size would always become smaller. Let's take two examples. Iron deficiency anemia. You cannot have iron. When you cannot have iron, you cannot make heme. You cannot make heme, you cannot make hemoglobin. So cell size becomes smaller. Thalassemia. It's a genetic disorder where you cannot make globin chain. If you cannot make globin chain, you cannot make hemoglobin. So cell size would be smaller. So in any disorder, remember this principle. If there is problem in hemoglobin synthesis, there will be microcytic anemia. Cell size would be smaller. Micro means small, cyte means cell. And it would be hypochromic also, because hemoglobin gives red color to the cell, red blood cell. So as there is less hemoglobin, it would be hypochromic too. Now come to macrocytic. Why there is big size cells in vitamin B12 or folate deficiency? Again, remember a principle. The principle is that the cell is struggling to make DNA. Macrocytic anemia typically occurs when there is a difficulty in DNA synthesis, particularly in the context of vitamin B12 and folate deficiency. Because as they cannot synthesize DNA, the cells have difficulty to divide. So cells, the RBC precursors in the bone marrow, they remain big in size. That is the principle. So do not memorize the list. Remember, if there is a problem in hemoglobin synthesis, there would be cell size would become smaller. If there is a problem in DNA synthesis, like in vitamin B12 and folate deficiency, the cell size would become bigger. Thank you so much.